Hey, Bolo Buddies. Thanks for watching. Welcome in, everybody. We are talking about big money and unexpected Bolo items to be on the lookout for, items you can hopefully buy low and sell for a profit. This is my Bolo Buddies Facebook group where I invite you to come over and share your big money Bolo under the share post at the top of the group. It's a monthly post, and I will feature your Bolo in a video like this. Tell me where you got it, what you paid for it, and what it sold for. Share your social media or selling platforms in the post and I'll feature it in this video. So here is the first one. It is a Nike Air Jordan Dry Fit Zip Up Hoodie size 3X. She said, "Hey, Courtney, here are a couple nice bolos from February for you. I'm Basket Case Mama Fab Finds on YouTube, Poshmark, eBay, and whatnot. Thanks for all you do. You rock. See you soon on a whatnot show. My sleepy body has been missing out on all the fun. Anyway, here is what I have for you this month. First, this is a Nike Air Jordan 3X hoodie. It sold for $92. Funny thing is, it's been listed for over a year. I literally just got some hanging mannequins to take better pictures and took the pictures about 3 days prior to this selling. Hadn't even put them up yet. And even with these terrible pictures, it was early in my reselling adventure. This sold. I don't grab a lot of stuff like this because of fakes, and most don't sell for much. But this jacket is one to keep an eye out for. Paid $6 at the Goodwill." All right, there you have it. Yes, she comes over to my Whatnot jewelry shows. We have a lot of fun. So you guys join us on Whatnot. Be sure to give her a follow. Give me a follow. And there is a referral link down below where you can get $15 to shop if you're not on Whatnot. And if you want to know more about becoming a seller, I've got some tutorials down in the description of the video and a seller referral link as well where they give you, I don't know, there's some sort of promotion if you use that referral link. You can check that out by clicking on it down below. All right, here's the next one. Vintage Eldrith Pottery 1993 Strawberries Crock Blue Salt Glaze, hand thrown PA. You can see it's signed. Great pictures. Another Bolo. This is a pottery crock. I am no way an expert on pottery, although I've learned a thing or three over the years. This sold quickly, less than 60 days, and for a nice profit. I had $4 into it and sold it for $100. Salt glaze with a strawberry design in blue. Picked it up. I picked up a bit of pottery, and this sold for the most and the fastest. So it's one to watch for. Found it at a yard sale. And this one also is Basket Case Mama Fab Finds. This is a Duck House Heirloom Dolls Native American Gorgeous Woman Beaded Feathers and Fur. Look at her. Woo! She fancy. Used to collect dolls and am drawn to them. Sadly, most take ions to sell, and she's not kidding. Dolls are hard to sell. And they're not worth much, which is sad because some are amazing. This is one of those. It is by Duck House and is a Native American doll in traditional costume with lots of beading and feathers, and she's just stunning. Look at her face. So pretty. She's porcelain and was still in the original box, although open, in excellent condition. Researched and priced and waited for almost 2 years. But she sold for full ask at last. So, what is that? Oh, it's her hand. So if you have the space and find something beautiful, it might be worth the wait. Plus I sold 2 dolls, one in January, 2 for over 100. So hoping that is a trend, probably not, but a girl can dream. Thanks for everything. Your videos make me smile all the time. I found this at a little local thrift shop for $2. Shablol, Shablol, sterling silver ring, synthetic golden rutile, faceted, size 8. There you go. And she's got a video of it also. I bet it shows how it glimmers. Let's look at it. There's the brand. Huh, Israel. Huh. I want to see the video. Oh, I passed it. Hold on. I bet it is real pretty. So you see how it hits the light? Pretty. Okay. Let's go to the next. Oh, let's see what she wrote. Had to share this, although it isn't the biggest Bolo, but it matters because I bought it from you. Oh, she bought it from me on Whatnot. That's so funny. I didn't even remember. I thought that brand in the Israel looked familiar, but that is so funny. She said it sold for 55 plus shipping. She said doubled up on what I paid for it. So that is always a nice profit. It was sterling set, but the stone, which on the website was said to golden rutile, was actually not. It was synthetic version, which was a lower value than originally thought. A person on eBay reached out with buckets of info about this stone, which, while fascinating, I always wonder how people have all this time. She called the company in Israel about the ring. She also wasn't who ultimately bought it, but I took the 55 offer and please, thank you so much. So yeah, I would have had no idea that golden rutile is what she said. Hmm, interesting. So it's sterling. Huh. So synthetic. So it was a synthetic stone. And it sounds like she found it on the website as well. Interesting. Well, thank you for sharing. I'm so excited you found a nice a bolo on my whatnot. Guys, come see us on whatnot. Vintage oh, Yucatan. I don't know what that is. Bay leather suit women's 4 small teal skirt jacket. There it is. There it is. Look at that outfit. That is fabulous. Basket case Mama Fab finds. My biggest bolo this month. I picked this up at a local church rummage sale. It's teal leather and vintage. They wanted 10 for it, and I asked them to hold it at the table while I shopped. I then paid. Oh, look at that tag. I then paid for all of my stuff and completely forgot the suit. That was in June. They were having another sale end of July, which I went back for, but went on the last day. It was Friday and Saturday because I was away on Friday and couldn't go Saturday. $5 bag. And I knew it would be picked over, but went to see what was left. To my complete shock, the suit was still there. That's awesome. A dollar into it and sold for 20% off for 120. Oh my goodness, that is so funny. That is a rad suit. Look at that, you guys. I love it. All right, the next one is HC Company Hattie Carnegie Modernist Cat Brooch Pin Gold Tone MCM 60s. There it is. It's a brooch. Paid a dollar at an estate sale. I know nothing about jewelry. Nothing. Did my research. Sold in about 3 days. That is a cool looking cat. And that's Hattie Carnegie. I'm surprised that didn't go for more. Hattie Carnegie's pretty good. Right? Am I wrong? Does it say Hattie Carnegie on it? HC. Huh. And did she say it was marked? Hold on. No. Okay. Wow. All right. Here's the next one. Vintage needlepoint of dogs. It looks like just a needlepoint of dogs. No frame. How crazy is this? Let's see. She said it's Green Eyes 94 from Whatnot. Woohoo! Another Whatnot seller. Give her a follow, you guys. Again, that referral link's down there. You can get $15 to shop. It's so fun. We have a great time. Come hang out with us. Thanks for the motivation. Found this needlepoint missing frame. It was thrown out in a box on the side of the road for free. Looked it up, others similar, and decided to list for 60. Made sure to show detail, image of the damage. After 2 days, lowered to 55, and it sold. Sold in 3 days, you guys. People love animal themed stuff. I have all jewelry shows that are all animals. So if you guys like animals, I have a show coming up that is all animal themed jewelry. So I hope you guys will bookmark that and come to that show. And if you missed that one, I'll be having more in the future. So follow Green Eyes 94 on Whatnot. Also, this one is a Toyota RAV4 Corolla Tacoma radio cassette player. Whew, that was a mouthful. Got this for free from their mom and dad's old eBay store. They shut down. So free, sold for 70 plus 22 shipping. Old auto parts definitely sell. Here is a UTG something mount. Gun, sight, or laser, as I like to call it, for my significant other for 45. I don't know what that means. Let's see. Buyer was all in for 61.65. After fees made 42.57. A win for sitting in a closet getting dusty. Gotta love it. The next one is the world's most powerful money manual and course set cassette, because we all need to know this, right? Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's crazy. Found this for $1 in an old outbuilding at an estate sale. Didn't comp it until later and was pleasantly surprised. Looks like it sold for $60. The next one is this vintage PIP squirt pen. Lakeside Toys. Bought this at an online auction. It came in a lot with lots of other things. So my cost was zero. Zero? I guess because it came with other things. It sold in about 5 hours with a buy it now of $49.99. eBay store seems just like yesterday. Ooh, I like that store name. It sold to a guy in Hollywood, California, who is an actor, not one I've heard of, but still cool. How did you know he was an actor? Rare Lamut, not mute, Lamut. And I sold this. Remember, guys, I sold this. They wanted to return it. Okay, so I sold it. Then I did my BOLO video, a plush video, and I saw how much it went for. I had underpriced mine. Was like, okay, they sent me a message wanting to return it. So I was kind of excited. I was going to list it for more. And then they never returned it. And now somebody else is selling one for big money. So be on the lookout for this guy. Picked this cutie up at the Goodwill for $2, sold it for $76.49. CR plush and stuff on eBay. The next one is this Pandora Hearts anime Alice B. Rabbit, Black Rabbit plush with tags. Found this unusual plush at the Goodwill for a couple bucks, sold it for $49.99 plus shipping. CR plush and stuff on eBay. Love buying and selling plush. Awesome. Awesome. You guys, I also have up a plush what sold video. If you guys want to share your plush bolos, it's at the top, just like this. This is a meows mystery plush. So I don't know if this is one of those ones where you don't know what you're going to get, but this one looks like it's sought after. Got it for $4 in a grab back at the Goodwill. Recognized the brand as a bolo, so bought it, listed it, sold the next day for $53.95. Happened to be a collectible. CR plush and stuff on eBay. This one is a Build-A-Bear Rainbow Frog. Purchased at Savers for $7.99. Took 3 weeks to sell for $129.99 on Mercari. Sorcerer's Storefront. Or Scorchers. Storefront is the Mercari name. Mercari is a great place for plush and Build-A-Bear. I have a video on Build-A-Bear that tells you that a lot of times they go for more on Mercari. So check that out to see which ones are selling for more on Mercari. Princess Anna coronation dress Disney. Paid $1 at a church sale, sold on Poshmark for $36. Piece of scrap on YouTube and Poshmark. How many times do you guys see these at garage sales and you just walk past them? I mean, seriously, $36 for this. That's crazy, right? Poshmark would probably be a good platform for this. Real quick before I show you a couple of my big money bolos. Poshmark and Mercari. I cross post to eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari from List Perfectly. I've been on List Perfectly since 2019. I absolutely love it. I do have a referral link for that. It is a cross-posting service, but they do offer more things now. So please check out my videos down below in the description to see a lot of the new features. It's so, so good, you guys. And they have lots of new plans. So if you want to upgrade or join List Perfectly, you can use coupon referral code bolobuddies and my link below. So check those videos out. Type in bolobuddies List Perfectly if you want to see those tutorials. Definitely going to help you sell more. Mercari and Poshmark. If you're not on those platforms, I also have referral links down below for those. And you do get money to shop when you use that referral link to join. So check it out. Essential oil roller. This is mine. I saw it. I couldn't find any comps that were exactly like it. It had this AKG on it. I don't know what that stands for. If anybody knows, let me know, because I searched and had no luck. So I just decided to list it high. I always do the stone if it's a sterling silver or 925 item. I will not sell anything that is fake. So I test it and show that I tested it. That way the buyer is confident when they're buying my item. Definitely recommend testing things. There's a lot of fakes out there on Whatnot. I dig in piles of jewelry, and a lot of times I find 925, sterling, different things when I'm doing my piles. I do grab and sell. So I pick it up and I start the listing, usually start everything at $5 or less. And just see what it goes for. But I do test my items live on Whatnot. So if you want to learn how to test, I can show you that over on Whatnot if I find something in my pile. But what I will tell you is a lot of times the things that I find are fake. So those go into the trash. I do not sell anything that does not test. And what else do you need to know? Yeah, just be careful when you're out there buying. And it's okay to ask the seller, whether it be on a platform or on Whatnot, if they've tested the item. That's okay to do, because if you definitely want to make sure you're getting something that is real, especially if you're paying up for it. But this looked like an artisan, or maybe, I don't know, the AKG, a harder to find piece because I couldn't find anything like it. So sold it for $179, excuse me, and 56 cents, and the buyer paid shipping. This one here is a Laurent Gilliatt black clear lucite statement necklace. And I had not listed anything on eBay for a while. I found this. I did not recognize the brand, so I decided I was going to look it up, and it had good comps. I just thought it was cool. I did not find the exact same one, if I remember correctly. Priced it high. I took a best offer on this, I think for 110. Bought it in a bulk jewelry buy, and listed this one on eBay. But yeah, lots of treasures. You can find lots of treasures at my Whatnot show. So I hope you guys will come and join in. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys at the next one. Again, check out the description of the video for those referrals and affiliates, things I use for my business. Also, the Facebook group is under my link tree. And check out the Google Lens video, guys. That'll teach you how to use Google Lens, and that is free. And it is a reseller's best friend. Thanks so much for being here, and thanks for watching.